And Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Factorizing is the difference of two squares. How we solve it like this equation. So like this in factories. So when I have a square minus b square, so what I will say a minus b in bracket, and the same a but change the sign plus b. So that's, you take the first and the last with a minus and with a plus. That's it. So for example, let's do here, we have x squared minus, but 25 is not the formula of b squared, so you have to convert it to b squared, which is 5 squared. Then now you can say x minus 5 and x plus 5. That's the way you factor. When I have this one, it's a fraction, I have 1 over 9 a squared minus 1 over 4, but it's not square. So what I gonna do? I change it to the 1 over 9 to the 1 over 3 whole square and 1 over 4 to 1 over 2 whole square, because 3 times 3 gives me 9. 1 times 1 is a 1, doesn't change. 1 times 1 is 1, but 2 times 2 gives me 4 also. So you have to write the formula of a squared minus b squared. Then at this moment you can say 1 over 3a minus 1 over 2 bracket, another factor, 1 over 3a plus, change the sign, 1 over 2. Is that clear? So you just change the sign, but the letter is and the numbers will be same. And here we have 52 times 48 numbers now. So what I can say is 52 comes 50 plus 2. So make 2 factors. So 52 comes 50 plus 2. And 48 comes 50 minus 2. Is that clear? 48 comes 50 minus 2. So I made 2 factors. I started at the end. Then we go in one step back. So now you're going backward. So what is the first number? It's 50. So 50 squared minus, what is the last number? 2. 2 squared. What is 50 squared? So 0 squared, when we say that, so that means you get 2 zeros. When you square it, number has a 0, so you add 2 zeros. And 5 squared is 25. So it becomes 2,500. When you say 50 squared, it's 2,500. The other trick is, when you have a square, you look the zeros, you add 2 zeros, and you just square the number. Then 2 squared is 4. When I subtracted these two numbers, what is the answer? It's 2,496. Is that clear? So it is 2,496. In general, you need to to use this formula: a squared minus b squared. It's a minus b and a plus b. So every factor you're doing, you have to write this formula. If it's not, you have to convert. Like this one was not, this one was not, so you have to make it b squared. And this one you get it backward, so you have to change it in the factories. Like this, you start it backward, so you have to be careful. So 50 square, 52 comes 50 plus 2, and 48 comes 50 minus 2. And these two numbers must be same, and these two numbers must be same, and the signs must be different. 1 minus, 1 plus. That's it for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.